Now students, our first chapter Roman numerals workbook part we are going to explain about workbook part. So workbook sums. So recapitulation, this is a recapitulation. Already we did in our textual questions. Textual questions we did. Now we are going to start our workbook part. See here, rules forming Roman numerals. We discuss what are the rules there in the Roman numerals. Total we discuss about the 4 rules. What are the 4 rules? So rule 1. So if any Roman numeral is on the left side of a smaller Roman numeral is on left side of a bigger Roman numeral, so we have to do minus. Second, if a smaller Roman numeral is on right side of a bigger Roman numeral, we have to add. Okay, and after that repeated Roman numeral. If repeated Roman numeral will come, then we have to add. And the Roman numeral which repeats, so that should be maximum 3 times only, not more than 3 times. And after that, what we discuss? So only 4 Roman numerals will repeat. What? I, X, and C, and N. These Roman numerals will repeat, and other Roman numerals they never repeats. What? V, L, and D. These 3 Roman numerals never repeats. Okay. So these all rules we discuss in our textbook. Now some sums are there. We are going to discuss. So here LX. Here this is a smaller Roman numeral. This is a bigger Roman numeral. Smaller Roman numeral is on right side of the bigger Roman numeral. So we have to add. L means 50 plus 10. 50 plus 10, 60. This is 61. Next we have to add 62. LX 62. Now 60, LX 60 and 3. 63. Now 64. LX 60, 4 we know. IV is 4. Then 65. LX is 60 and V 5. 65. This is 65. Now L 50. LI 51, LII 52, LII 53, LIV 54, LV 55, LVI 56. So in this way we have to fill the blanks. Okay, missing Roman numerals we have to fill. So write the following Roman numerals in ascending order. Ascending means increasing order. Increasing means from smaller to larger. First we have to write a smaller number. Then how to write smaller number? First we have to convert the given Roman numerals into Indo-Arabic numerals first, according to our rules. Now here XL, this is the smaller Roman numeral, this is a bigger Roman numeral, 50 and 10. Smaller Roman numeral is on left side of a bigger Roman numeral, so we have to make minus. 50 minus 10, that is 40. 40 and plus 1, this is 41. This number is 41. XL, this is a bigger Roman numeral, this is 50, this is smaller Roman numeral. Smaller Roman numeral is on left side of a bigger Roman numeral, so we have to subtract. 50 minus 10. 50 minus 10 is 40. Here XL, so this is smaller Roman numeral, this is a bigger Roman numeral. Smaller Roman numeral is left side of a bigger Roman numeral, so subtract 50 minus 10, 40, 40 plus 1, 41, 41 plus 1, 42. This represents 42. Then X means 10, X means 10, X means 10. Repeated Roman numeral. When repeated Roman numeral will come, then we have to add 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 10, 30. This is for 9 symbol. 30 plus 9, 39. So 39, 40, 41, 42. So these are the Roman numerals. We have to arrange them ascending order. Ascending means increasing. Increasing means first we have to take smaller one. X, 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 I, X. 39. Then 40. XL. Then 41. XLI. then 42, XL I. So in this way we have to convert the given Roman numeral into Hindu-Arabic numerals. So why? Because it is very easy to understand so which one is smaller and which one is a bigger according to our Roman numerals rules. Okay. Now X repeated Roman numeral. When repeated Roman numeral will come, we have to add. This is 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. This represents 25. X repeated Roman numeral. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 1, 21. 21 plus 1, 20. This represents 22. 10. This is 10 and this is 9. 10 plus 9, 19. Repeated Roman numeral. 10 plus 10, 20. 20. This is the representation of 5. 25 plus 1, 26. Then ascending order. Ascending means increasing order. First we have to take smaller one. 19 is a smaller one. X. Then little bit bigger than this. 22. X. Then 25. X V. Next. Now 26. X V I. So in this way we have to arrange ascending order, increasing order. The next question is descending order, decreasing order. Decreasing means first we have to take a bigger one. So first you convert the given values into Hindu-Arabic numerals. L is 50 and X is 10. So the smaller Roman numeral is on right side of a bigger Roman numeral. So you have to add 50 plus 10, 60. Here XL, here X is on left side of a bigger Roman numeral. So we have to subtract 50 minus 10, that is 40. LX means 60, 60 plus 1, 61. L is 50 and this is the representation of 9. 50 plus 9, 59. Then the bigger one we have to take. So this is the bigger one. So LXI. Then smaller than this is 60. LX. Then smaller than this is 59. LIX. And very smaller is XL. X. So in this way we have to arrange descending order. In descending order, one more question is there, that is your home assignment. Okay. Now write the following numbers, means Hindu-Arabic numerals into Roman numerals. Write the Roman numerals for each of the following Hindu-Arabic numerals. Hindu-Arabic numerals are given, so we have to convert this into what? Roman numerals. How to convert Roman numerals? 561. Then how to write 561? That is 500 plus 50. 550 plus 10. 560 plus 1. Bigger, smaller. All are in plus, and so in ascending order it is there. So just in plus. So we have to take first 500 means D, 50 means L, 10 means X, and 1 means I. D, L, X, I. That is 561. Then 523. Then how to write 523? First 500. 20 means 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10, 20. And 3 means 1 plus 1 plus 1. Then how to write? 500 D. 10X. 10X. 1I. 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 D, X, X, I. Next. 328. 328 means 100 plus 100. 200. 200 plus 100. 300. And 20 means 10 plus 10, 20. And 8 we know how to write 8. 8 means 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 100 plus 100, 200. 200 plus 100, 300. 357, 310, 320, 325, 26, 27, 28. 328. 328. Now, how to write this? 100 means C, 100 means C, 100 means C, 10 means X, 10 means X, 5 means V, 1 means I, 1 means I, 1 means I. C, 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 X, X, V, I. So this is a Roman numeral. Then 316. 316, how to write 316? Again the same 300 means 100 plus 100 plus 100. 300 and 16. How to write 16? 10. 310 plus 15, 15 plus 1, 16. 316. Then, how to write 316? C, C, C. Then 10, X, V, I. So in this way. Now here, see, 476, then how to write in Roman? First you take 500, 500 minus 100. 500 minus 100 is 400. 500 minus 100 is 400. Now we have to write 76. Then how to write 76? 50 plus 10, 60, 60 plus 10, 70, 70 plus 6 means 5 plus 1. Then you will get 500 and 476. Then 500 means D. 100 is in minus, so that number we have to get before. So 100 means C. CD means 400. 400, 76, 17, 400. L means 450, 60, 70, 75 and 76. In this way we have to write 476. Now 399. How to write 399? 100 plus 100 plus 100. 300. And now we have to write 99. 99. How to write 99? First we have to write 100 minus 10. 100 minus 10 is 90. 100 minus 10 is 90. And after that 9. 9 means, how to write? 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 is 9. 10 minus 1 is 9. Then 100 means C. Here 100 minus 10 means XC. XC means 90 and 10 minus 1, 9, IX. This is the representation of 399. 399 representation. Okay. Now, write the Hindu Arabic numerals for each of the following Roman numerals. Then how to write? CX. C means 100. 100 plus 10, 110. And this is a bigger Roman numeral. So this is the representation of 4. This is the representation of 4. C. 100 plus 10, 110. 110 plus 4, 114. 114. D means 500 plus 10. 510 plus 10. 520 plus 5. 525. 525. Now, C means 100. This is the representation of 9. 900 plus 9, 109. C means 100, L means 50. 150. And this is 5. 155, 56, 57. 157. 157 representation. So in this way we have to complete. If Hindu Arabic is given, then we have to convert into Roman numerals. If Roman numeral is given, then we have to convert into Hindu Arabic numerals. Here two questions were there. The two questions here home assignment. Here. So compare the following Roman numerals using less than, greater than, equal to symbol. This is the symbol for less than, this is the symbol for greater than, this is the symbol for equal to. Now, here LX, L means 50, X means 10. 50 plus 1, 50, 60, 50 plus 10, 60, 60 plus 1, 61. This represents 61. This is L. L means 50. IX, this is 9. 50 plus 9, 59. Means 61 is greater than 59. Now, X, C means 100. X, smaller Roman numeral is on left side. So minus 100 minus 10 is 90. This represents 90. So XC means 90. 90 plus 1, 91. Then 90 is less than 91. Then X 10. Ix means 9. 10 plus 9, 19. This represents 19. L means 50. Ix means 9. This represents 9. 50 plus 9, 59. 19 and 59. So then 19 is less than 59. X means repeated Roman numeral, add. 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 10, 30. Here also same, 30. Both are equal. Here equal to 7. Here equal to 7 you get. Okay. Now match the following. XL means X smaller Roman numeral comes first, means minus. 50 minus 10, 40. 40 plus 1, 41. Where is 41? Then join 41. Then X comes first, means smaller Roman numeral is first. 100 minus 10, 99. 99 and this is 5. 90. 100 minus 10 is 90. 90 plus 5, 95. Where is 95? X 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 5, 35 plus 1, 36. Where is 36? Now 50 plus 10, 60 plus 10, 70 plus 10, 80. 80 and this is 4, 84. This is the representation of 84. 50 plus 10, 60. 60 plus 10, 70. 70 plus 5, 75 plus 1, 76. 70. This is the representation of 76. In this way we have to match. Now here 10 plus 10 plus 10. This is 30. 30 plus this is 11. 10 plus 1, 11. 30 plus 11, 41. 41. Then how to write this 41 in Roman? If you want to take Roman, then 40 means 50 minus 10. 50. First we take 50L and X. That is 40. 40 and 9. 9 symbol is Ix. XLIX. XLIX. 40 and